Impressive interior, upgraded corner location, enjoyable front and rear view, and this townhome shows better than the model. Take a peek at these photos and admire structure upgrades such as recessed LED lighting, 8-foot doors, ceiling fan pre-wiring, outdoor vented microwave, and 4th bedroom conversion with a full guest bath. In addition to the upgraded kitchen, staircase railing, and flooring is an extended paver patio with a fence. Welcome to the community of Hawksmoor, nearby Walt Disney World. Located on a double-sized corner lot with a pleasant park view from the front porch, you'll find the design of this townhome above others in the area. As an end unit, extra windows extend from the foyer past the kitchen and dining areas into the living space. The kitchen offers beautiful 42-inch white cabinets with crown molding, upgraded quartz counters, a center island with added cabinet storage, stainless steel appliances, and a marble tile backsplash. Upgraded tile flooring spans from the front door and foyer through the kitchen and into the dining and living area. The nearby first floor bedroom, full bath and hallway with built-in shelving and USB charging is perfect. The dining area features a wide linear chandelier with vintage LED lighting and room for a big table. The adjacent walk-in under-stair pantry is more significant than it looks. The living area offers space for sprawling furniture, a big ceiling fan, rear-facing windows, a flat-screen mount, and access to the extended lanai. Upstairs, a split-bedroom plan features the primary suite facing the front with a beautiful park view. Like all bedrooms, the suite offers upgraded plush carpeting. The private bath features a walk-in shower, access to a deep walk-in closet with a window, and the same quality quartz for the double-sink vanity. The other bedrooms, each of a considerable size, share a full-size Jack and Jill bath with tub and shower, excellent closet space, and ceiling fans. The laundry room is easily accessible and the washer and dryer are included. The extended lanai is spacious and accessible to the rear-facing 2-car garage. The community offers amenities such as a fantastic pool, pet-friendly parks, a covered picnic area, and more. Nearby 429